This tutorial describes the function of the reader channel connections on a 512 door controller and provides practical wiring examples. GS3 readers require only 4 connections when used with the PAC, key-pac and MyFair cards or tokens. These are the 2 power supply connections, the SIG-A, which is the reader data connection, and the LED connection. The RTE, or request to exit input, requires a normally open contact connected to ground. The SIG-B input is used where both entry and exit readers are required. Use of the DC or door contact input is optional. When employed, the 512 controller is able to send door held open and door forced events to the administration software. If a door contact is connected to the DC input, the input must be enabled in the door screen in the administration software. The readers have an internal piezo sounder. If required, connecting the sound terminal to ground via a switch will activate this sounder. With the exemption of the panel mount version, the GS3 reader range has a magnetically activated tamper output. If the reader is removed from the wall, the state of the tamper output changes. This output may be connected to the input on the 512 controller to provide a reader tamper event. If the tamper magnet is not fitted, the reader will beep every 10 seconds for the first 2 minutes following power-up, to warn the installation engineer that the magnet is not installed, or in the case of the vandal-resistant reader, is misaligned. In the case of a vandal-resistant reader, the beep indicates that the magnet has not been correctly aligned in the wall behind the reader. A template is provided with the reader to enable accurate drilling for the tamper magnet. Where the reader tamper output is connected to the IP terminal on the 512 controller, this input must be configured in the administration software. This is performed in the Auxiliary I/O tab in the door screen. The switches numbered 1 to 4 enable the reader to read a wide range of card token types and output these in different formats. Detailed information on these settings are available in the documentation that is provided with each reader. Switch number 5 is used to activate the mute for the key acknowledgement beep tone.